Are you like Irving Berlin and dreaming of a white Christmas? There's nothing like the combination of decorations, lights, and of course some snow on the ground to really get us into the holiday spirit. But if you look around, well, we've got a lot of green and we've got a lot of brown. So what are our odds of seeing a white Christmas? I'm meteorologist Brian Newdorf with the National Weather Service here in Louisville, and while it's still too early to give you that Christmas forecast, we can take a look at the past or our weather history to take a look at the odds of a white Christmas across southern Indiana and, of course, Kentucky. In order for a Christmas to be classified as a white Christmas, we have to have at least 1 inch of snow on the ground sometime during the day of December 25th. Our probabilities of a white Christmas have been calculated over the last 3 decades, going from 1981 to 2010 of climate normals. So, as we look and take a closer look here at Kentucky, you can see we are in a very dark gray color, which is right around 0 to 10%. Now, as you go up to the Bluegrass and across northern Kentucky and southern Indiana, you see about a 10% bump in odds, somewhere between 10 and 20%. As we take a little closer look here at some of the towns here in Kentucky, we can see that Bowling Green, you have just about a 7% odds of seeing a white Christmas. Your record snow depth was 6 inches, set back in 1965. In Lexington, you're at a solid 10% odds of seeing a white Christmas historically. And your record snow depth was 7 inches back in 1935. And for Louisville, the odds of a white Christmas are 11%. That's 11% of seeing at least 1 inch of snow on the ground. The record snow depth was back in 2004, and that was 5 inches. Over the last 20 Christmases, Louisville, you've had 4 of those Christmases having at least 1 inch or at least being white. For Lexington, you've had 2 white Christmases, and for Bowling Green, in the last 20 years, you have had just 1. Of course, it is still too soon to get our accurate white Christmas forecast, but you can always follow us on social media. Check us out on Twitter and Facebook, as well as going to weather.gov/Louisville for your latest weather forecast.